So I kind of came in with the open mind and was just gonna see what happened. It's been a bit of everything.
You see very special places, but also connect. We're going through the same thing as me in other countries.
Aprender a entendernos a partir de las diferencias.
Having that SACSM organization is certainly beneficial. There's a wealth of wisdom here from the people who know the history and background to these areas.
It makes it feel a little less touristy and more educational than just seeing the sites themselves, which are incredibly moving.
And the way it combines secular history of the world with our religious faithful history, kind of overlapping and once again kind of connecting a timeline of this happened to Christ, but this is what was going on in the rest of the world.
Makes you enjoy them and benefit from them even more.
For me, it's a blessing to be with people who I know are very passionate about the Holy Land, but also people who come with the same purpose. They're trying to learn about this place, enrich their faith, but also go beyond and see what they can bring back to their home once they're done here.
Firstly, forgiveness is an experience that, so to speak, occupies a central place in people's moral life.
And I want to bring texts to this discussion about forgiveness.
This is how we learn to be better people.
This is the third Holy Land Dialogues that I have acted as moderator, and I am pleased to say that this year has been better than ever. We'd covered a lot of ground and we all learnt a great deal.
Here you have good speeches of professional people from all around the world, their witnesses. You can see those holy places and relate to other things, not only faith, but also work, your unity of life.
Comparten sus lugares santos, lugares centrales.
Y convivir con otras religiones, recién veíamos a un periodista de CNN, me encantó.
Entonces por eso el diálogo es fundamental, por eso el diálogo es lo que nos permite entendernos, es lo que nos permite acercarnos, es lo que nos permite limar asperezas e intentar llegar a un mundo mejor.
So you got the spiritual side and you have the professional side kind of merged into one, which is unusual for most trips. You don't get both in one.
We do hikes, but we also have discussions and speakers to learn more about our faith.
Es encontrar nuestras raíces, es encontrar esos puntos en que se basa nuestra historia y dónde sucedió, dónde pasó. Eso es muy bonito y desde luego 100% recomendable, o sea, es un viaje que no me perdería.